Today we will start at the CN class, which is the module 1, data communication. So first of all, what is data communication? Data communication is nothing but the process of transferring data between devices in a computer network. The process of which the transfer of data between the devices in a computer networks. Okay, then these devices must be capable of sending and receiving data over a communication medium. All the devices which is capable of sending, receiving data over a communication medium. Okay, example of such devices included personal computers, mobile phones, laptops, etc. Next topic is our the data communication systems depend upon the four fundamental characteristics. Is that the fundamental characteristics is delivery, accuracy, timelines, and jitter. The other components, the data communication systems has 5 components, which is the message sender, receiver, and the transmission medium protocol. And last we have a data representations. In the data representations, what we have that text, images, audio, and the videos. Okay,